We were really impressed with the professionalism of the workshop. We were guided and had practice sessions before getting onto our glasses. We chose the clear glass that comes with the package. If you want another choice, you might have to pay an additional cost. We got to choose a design. We had a great time. Easy to find too. Had an amazing time participating in the Kiriko Glass experience through Klook. The studio was well organized and welcoming. The instructor was incredibly knowledgeable, patient, and supportive throughout the session. Even as a complete beginner, I felt confident and inspired to express my creativity. They explained each step clearly and gave helpful tips, all while encouraging us to enjoy the process. I'm so proud of the glass I made. It's a one-of-a-kind souvenir that will always remind me of this unique cultural experience. I highly recommend this activity to anyone visiting Japan who wants to try something creative, relaxing, and meaningful. I had scheduled for 4 people, but one of my group couldn't make it. They were quite understanding and allowed me to make 2 glasses to make up for the missing person. Very important to note that on top of the cost of the class, you will need to select a glass. Some of the glasses do have an additional cost. I'm not sure if there is an included glass that isn't a special color. Finally, there is a good selection of glass colors, but I recommend calling ahead of time to see if they can provide a description of what colors are available. Overall 11/10 would attend again. A quick course on glass cutting in a small workshop on the second floor of a glassware shop. The guide was proficient in English and provided guidance and suggestions when it came to the techniques you'd need to use to produce the design you wanted. All in all, a very good value for the money experience. Do note that a clear glass, you choose the shape, and included in the ticket price, but if you want to have colored glass it costs extra, in the range of 2,000 yen to 5,000 yen. I really liked this class. I honestly just wish we'd had a bit more time. The hour and a half goes by fast and I wasn't able to be as precise and detailed with my cuts at the end. However, our teacher was very patient and spoke excellent English. I didn't get a lot of hands-on help, but I think there were just too many people for that. She did help critique me what she could. On the whole, I think this was a very fun experience, and it would be even more fun with friends or family.